Alright guys, so this is I guess more of even just a progress update. So I've been coming out here late at night. Sean hasn't been around, but some of this stuff is just boring, so we're just going to give you an update. So on the Subaru, where we left off, we were getting the radiator set up, figuring out our coolant hoses, right? So we had the heater tube that ran right down the middle that we ended up removing. Only removed it to here at this point, but I will be taking more of that out, right? Because the heater core is supposed to go up at the very front. So we had a big hole here, so you can see there's a bit of patchwork here. I use all of the joint sealer, but what I did is made a rectangular plate. I cut 2 grooves into it and pushed it up. So it was saddling these 2 pipes, right? So these are my heater pipes. I took some of the heater hose, wrapped it around it just as like a buffer. So I pushed my pipe up against it, have that as an insulator, and then I obviously joint sealed it. I welded it, joint sealed it, and sprayed it with like a rubber-proof coating. I did that on all 4, like both sides, all the way around. So I didn't like that big hole. I figured I was gonna just get sand and crap and rocks filling up. So sealed it up, taped those off, put rubber grommets on both. So those are installed. You can see it runs all the way, and same at the back. And actually, if Sean comes right to the back, here, so you can see this is where we're stopping with the hard pipe. So they come to about here, and then I left part of the heater channel here, right? So I've cut that off. So when we transition to a flexible hose, it's going to give us a pathway from here up, ignoring all shifter coupling and stuff, so I don't have anything to worry about it hitting. It's going to pop me out up here by the starter, right? And you can see on the Subaru, if Sean can see my hand, maybe you can't. Okay, yeah. So and that's your final destination, right? So we're going to go from there with flex hose to these hard pipes. So now that they're installed, I'm gonna jump ahead and skip some steps. I'm not gonna focus too much on the heater right now. I'm worried about getting the radiator installed, so I might even just bypass this, put a rubber hose here, create a loop, and send it back, deal with the heater in a bit. But I also did more work on the radiator. So last time we were finding the perfect placement for the fans. So the fans have been fitted, and I don't know if you guys are, I'm stumbling here. It was a funny setup for me. I've never done this. I never had to attach the fans to the radiator, but it's basically like a little zip tie that you push through, and it locked it in, and they're on there really good. So anyhow, 4 of those go through, hold the fan in place. We checked our fans. Now some fans you can switch the rotation, but these are puller fans, okay? So they are wired and set up as puller fans. I'm saying a lot. I've done a lot in the last few weeks, but cut and soldered, so we have long leads. So when we install this, we can throw it out behind. We've got our hose at 10 feet. So we've got that connected. This goes to our overflow, so we're gonna have to feed that through as well, on our expansion tank. So the radiator is ready to go up. It's ready to get filled with fluid once, like, next step we're running our hoses, right? So that was our update on this. Actually, one more thing I did forget. So in the last episode 2, we had the exhaust, and we were concerned about clearance issues. So I did the zip tie test last time. Just gonna grab a zip tie. But I don't know how well the camera can pick it up in here. But, well, we have, I don't know, it's almost, sorry, I whacked the camera. It's almost 1/8 of an inch clearance now. I'm thinking that's good. What I ended up doing is just with a 5-pound mallet, I rolled, so it was a sharp 90. I've rolled up the edge a bit, cleaned off the grease and dirt and crap and grime. So I just buffed it up a bit there, bent it around, and it seems like we definitely have clearance now. It's not touching. I'm not sure how much of a shimmy I'm gonna get on the engine. We'll find out. But for now, I'm hoping that's good enough. That's an update on this. Sean's gonna put down the camera. We're gonna get that lifted up into place and start running some hoses. All right, guys, so that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out our store. Maybe buy us a coffee. We've always got merch. We've got new products coming out. Bus eyes are back in stock. We like to keep these in stock. Angry Eyes are a top seller. And don't forget, any money we make on this channel, and we are trying to actually make some money on this channel, is going right back into the project. So anything we are buying, we are filming, we are showing you, we're giving you our honest opinion. So check it out. Help us out. Check out the store. Get some stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you out there.